What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going back to the mini series. So today what my intention is to do the bodywork of the car, to get it washed. Now, as I said previously, I don't know if this is going to be a one or a two-parter. I don't really know until I get stuck into it how long this is going to be. So what I'm going to do initially is wash the bodywork down because it's in a right state. We'll put some cinematics up, and then from there we will decontaminate it, clay bar it, find the damage, and then see how we are going to address it. Yeah, so once we know how to address it, we can obviously then decide whether we're going to approach it with touch-up paint. I'm going to try rubbing compound first because I haven't ordered any of the 2000 or 3000 grit sandpaper. So I am just going to try rubbing compound, see if it works. Obviously if not, I will then go ahead and order some sandpaper. I'm not going to be sealing the paintwork today, because I've got a lot else to be getting on with, another video to film on the car, which I know traditionally you do wash the wheels first and then do the body of the car, but it will all make sense when you see the order of the videos and the fact that I've got one day to try and get as much of this done as possible. So yeah, I don't know if you've already noticed guys, but I am wearing the RGM Performance hoodie, finally. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with the video. If you haven't already seen the cinematics, you'll see them now. If you've already seen them, let's crack on. So I'm really hoping the sound is picking up this time, because in the engine bay video it failed, but we're going for a typical 2-bucket wash method. So I'm using auto finesse lather, so I'll time lapse it and let's crack on. So I've just jumped into here because unfortunately I was disturbed mid filming, so I didn't get to show you much. But I have fully clear barred the car with a brand new piece of clear, and I just wanted to show you just how bad the paint was. That's just off the rear bumper, but every panel is coming out like that. So just because your car might look immaculate or be absolutely gleaming when it's polished doesn't necessarily mean it's not actually full of contaminants. So it is worth clear barring your car. I do mine probably 2 or 3 times a year. The last time this will have been done was probably September time, so about 6 months ago. Usually I do it just before winter and then around now, February, March time. So yeah, I just thought I'd go through that with you. They're about 20 quid for the Meguiars quick clear kit from Halfords. It's worth it, guys, and the thing is you get about 3 cars out of it, so you're talking 20 quid a year in clear bar. If your quick detailer spray or clear lube, whatever it is, runs out, just do what I've done, just get some soapy water, because that works just as good as well, because it's only to help the clear bar slide so it doesn't mar your paint when it's pulling all your tar deposits out, etc. You can go a lot further with the decontaminating before using the clear bar. You can do tar and film remover, bug remover, traffic film remover, iron fallout. There's quite a lot of stuff that you can go through, which I normally do, but I've run out of a lot of my stuff, so I have just clear barred it. But the reason why I'm not too fussed is because eventually when we've got everything ready and repaired, it will be getting a full machine polish anyway, so that should pull out any imperfections that the clear bar may have left. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to quickly jump inside the house, go get the touch-up paint, because I have tried rubbing compound on a few areas and not many of the scratches seem to be coming out, so I haven't bothered wasting the time showing you that. But there is a couple of bits that could do with some touch-up paint, so we're going to jump on with that, tidy the glass up, and then jump on to another part, but that will be probably a part 2. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a moment. So, bit of rubbing compound, try it on this area. So guys, here's the touch-up paint. Here's the area I want to touch up. So it's completely dry. I will just
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
so guys, as you just saw there, I was applying some touch-up paint to some areas. Obviously at the minute it looks a bit rough. I have never done it before, so I don't even know how bad it's going to turn out. But it does say it will take a few days to fully harden before you can start polishing over it, etc., and bringing it all up to a high gloss standard to try and blend it as best as possible. So I'm going to leave part 1 here for the bodywork, because I'm going to have to wait a few days now. So I'll get this video edited up and send this out as part 1, and then for part 2 we'll be polishing the scratches as best as possible, obviously blending in the touch-up paint, just getting a nice finish, and then putting a hydrophobic seal wax on. So that'll be in part 2. I'll probably do the glass in between now and then, because the dirty glass is really going to bug me, but I have got something else that I do also want to crack on with. So yeah, until then guys, I hope you are taking care and enjoying yourself. If you are enjoying this video series so far, don't forget to go down below and hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell for all further notifications so you can see what's coming and also see the final result of this bodywork. So yeah, until next time guys, take care.